Good morning, students. Let's continue with writing section, and today we shall write one more application, because this is the basic part from where you have to write the sentences correctly. And as I told you yesterday, it is very must to maintain an appropriate format, as well as you are required to write the sentences without grammatical errors and without any format error. The language should be very simple and precise. Okay, we need not to give unnecessary things in writing application. Now today we will write one more application. Write the question for it, and the question is write an application to the principal of your school, requesting her to arrange for evening sports in your school. Okay, this is the question for you. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting her to arrange for evening sports. Okay, you need not to write this part. This requesting her to arrange evening sports. Note down this question, because this will be deleted after going for the format. Okay, have you written it? Now I am going to delete the question. First of all, we have to start from here. The sender's address, as I told you, I gave you the format yesterday. The sender's address in 2 lines. Write your address, like any address, 165 Gandhi Nagar, Chittorgarh. Okay, these 2 lines are for address of the addressee, the one who is writing the application. Now leave 1 line and put the date August 19, 2020. Clear? Now again leave 1 line and write the principal Birla Shiksha Kendra, or you can write, if the name of the school is not given in the question, you can write any other name. Birla Shiksha Kendra, and in next line Chittorgarh. Okay, take care that 1 line is left here at both the places, above the date and below the date. Then comes our salutation. Now leave 1 line. After this address, the word Chittorgarh, you have to leave 1 line and write the subject. सब्जेक्ट क्या है क्वेश्चन में? टू रिक्वेस्ट फॉर अरेंजिंग. सब्जेक्ट इज रिक्वेस्ट फॉर अरेंजिंग evening sports. Okay, this is the subject. Now in question you were asked to write an application to the principal of your school requesting her. अब pronoun her है, इसका मतलब हमें क्या लिखना है? Dear madam, dear ma'am. ओके, सब्जेक्ट के बाद में भी एक लाइन वापस छोड़ना है. टेक केयर दैट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अलाइनमेंट इज टू बी फॉलोड. देखो मेरे कोई वर्ड इधर उधर मूव नहीं कर रहे. नाउ वी हैव टू कम टू द कंटेंट पार्ट. We the students of बिरला शिक्षण केंद्र and remember every letter, first letter of the school will be written in capital letters. Shall feel highly obliged if evening sports classes are arranged for us. Evening sports classes are arranged for us after school. After school. Okay. So the main, first of all, this paragraph contains the main object of the writing application. Now leave one line. As I told you, when we change the paragraph, we have to leave one line here. Now write the school is. कैसे इसको एप्लीकेशन को आगे बढ़ाना? कि हम स्कूल में इतनी करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज और होती है. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड. दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन स्पोर्ट्स, they are willing to take part in it. Okay, so the school is offering many co-curricular activities but due to lack of practice and now again you won't be able to look at it clearly, so I am going to rub it. But due to lack of practice we are not able to lead the school we are not able to lead the school in the sports fest. Sports fest. Fest means sports cultural week, like sports fest organized at the district level. Sports fest organized at the district level. Have you understood the meaning of this paragraph? That the school is organizing many co-curricular activities, but due to the lack of practice, we are not able to lead the school in the sports which are conducted at the district level. Now we come to the next stanza. The next stanza will go like this. Now, it will be very considerate it will be very considerate of you to arrange it will be very considerate of you to arrange sports classes for us. To arrange sports classes for us. मतलब आप हमारे लिए कंसिडर कीजिए कि हमारे लिए स्पोर्ट्स क्लासेस अरेंज करवाई जाए, कंसिडर किया जाए हमें। देर अब कौन कौन करना चाहते हैं, ऐसा कोई नहीं, बहुत थोड़े बच्चे होंगे तो कर देंगे। देर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स who are willing, बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो कि willing है, those who are willing to join evening classes, evening sports classes या evening classes for sports, evening classes for sports, for evening classes for different sports, हमें ऐसे लिखना चाहिए, for different sports, अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं बच्चे। सो देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर विलिंग टू जॉइन इवनिंग क्लासेस फॉर डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स। ओके, नाउ leave one line again after every stanza, leave one line. Now this is concluding line. We urge you, we urge means very humble request, we urge you to look into the matter we urge you, we humbly request you to look into the matter for us, for us. ओके, हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारे लिए जो भी जरूरी कदम है वो उठाए जाए और उनको क्या किया जाए, जो हमारे लिए जरूरी है वो चीज की जाए, वो एक्शन लिया जाए. Now the closing, how it is written, that is subscription. Okay, you can write, leave one line here, again thanking you. Okay, thanking you, leave one line, yours faithfully. And write your name, and either you can write the school captain because he is representing the class, whole school, and you can write here any name or class 12 or 11, or this is the place for writing name. So I hope you have understood now that how the format is to be followed. The language should be precise, easy and simple. Following the format is very much essential here. You should not commit the spelling errors as well as errors in the tenses. So I hope now you have understood, and write this application in your notebook. Yesterday's notebook must have been completed by you. Thank you.